the impact of the Supreme Court verdict opening up Sabarimala Temple to women of all ages. Now, the temple board in charge of the Sabarimala Temple has decided not to file a review against the top court verdict that allowed women to enter. There have been several protests, however, in Kerala against the verdict. The leader of opposition in Kerala, Ramesh Chennithala, has also slammed the government over their decision not to appeal that verdict and said that they would appeal against him. Here's what the Chief Minister had to say.
അല്ല, അതിൽ വേറെ പ്രശ്നമില്ല. ഈ സാധാരണ നിലക്ക് ഇന്ന് സ്ത്രീകൾക്ക് അവിടെ പോകാനുള്ള അനുമതി സുപ്രീം കോടതി നൽകി കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. സുപ്രീം കോടതി അനുമതി നൽകി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അത് മറ്റൊരു നിയമം ഉണ്ടാകുന്നതുവരെ അതാണ് നിയമം. നമ്മുടെ രാജ്യത്തിന് നിയമമായിട്ട് അത് വരികയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അതിനാവശ്യമായിട്ടുള്ള നടപടികളെല്ലാം സ്വീകരിക്കാൻ സർക്കാരിന് ബാധ്യതയുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ വിശ്വാസികളിൽ ഈ പറഞ്ഞ എല്ലാവരും ഈ സ്ത്രീകൾ പോകാൻ പാടില്ല.
All right, let's go across to Sneha for more on this. So, Sneha, the opposition has attacked the government, has slammed the government over this decision not to appeal the Sabarimala verdict.
That's right. In fact, from what we do know is that Devaswom Board, in fact, that is quite a surprise. The Devaswom Board, which is in charge of Sabarimala, has gone ahead and decided not to file a review petition. Now, at least the protesters who were against the entry of women between the age group of 10 to 50 into Sabarimala, something which has been allowed by the Supreme Court now, at least those devotees were hoping that, the temple board in charge of Sabarimala would take a stand in favor of them. But they have decided not to file a review petition. In fact, they have gone ahead and said that they will make arrangements like pink toilets for women, better lighting facilities. Also, this is an extremely arduous uphill trek through forests. So they have said it's obviously only those devotees who know this who will come to Sabarimala, and therefore arrangements like water, rest and all of that needs to be made. But there will not be any special arrangements made for women in comparison to men, because that is something which is known to all devotees, the kind of terrain and the difficulties that they will face. That, of course, is the Devaswom Board's stand. The Chief Minister has also made a stand here. Now, interestingly, the opposition leader in Kerala, Mr. Ramesh Chennithala, has taken a stand that they are against the Supreme Court's decision. When asked whether they will file a review petition on them, their response was they will be discussing with several ex-Devaswom Board or Temple Board officials, as well as the Pandalam royal family, one of the leading families which took to the protest yesterday, where around 8,000 women joined, and only after consultation with all these stakeholders would they decide on a possibility of a review petition. But they have definitely opposed this move, a decision by the Supreme Court, which is now also being backed by the state government. So when it comes to devotees, their views on this has clear dissent. One side welcoming the Supreme Court's order, the second side opposing it, but the Devaswom Board in charge of Sabarimala clearly maintaining that as long as there is not any deliberate attempts at creating law and order problems, this year's Sabarimala pilgrimage season will go much better than it has gone even in previous years.
All right, Sneha, thanks so much for joining us and giving us all those details.